Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up your Laosge Wi-Fi extender step by step. By the end, you'll have a more powerful and dependable internet connection across your home, eliminating dead zones and ensuring a seamless online experience. Let's dive in. First, let's unbox the Laosge Wi-Fi Extender and take a look at what's included. In the box, you'll find the Wi-Fi extender, an Ethernet cable, and a user manual. The device itself has a sleek design with LED indicators that show the current status of your connection. Now, plug the Laosge extender into a power outlet. For best results, place the device halfway between your router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Once plugged in, the power light should come on, and you'll see the Wi-Fi light blinking. Next, let's connect to the extender. On your smartphone or computer, go to your Wi-Fi settings and look for the Laosge_XX network. It may take a few moments for the Wi-Fi extender to boot up. Select the network and connect. Once you're connected to the Laosge Wi-Fi extender, open a web browser on your device. In the address bar, enter the extender's default IP address, which is typically either 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. You will be asked to enter a username and password to access the extender's settings. By default, both are usually set to admin. Once you enter the credentials and log in, you'll be directed to the setup page to begin configuring your Laosge Wi-Fi extender. Now, let's connect the extender to your Wi-Fi network. On the setup page, you'll see a list of available networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. The extender will now connect to your router. After the configuration, your Laosge Wi-Fi extender should now be connected to your network. Go ahead and test the connection by moving to the area where you needed better coverage. If the signal is strong, you're all set. If you face any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of skilled professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you successfully set up your Laosge Wi-Fi extender, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy browsing and stay connected.